trash, and much more. Multiple desktops and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new Task View feature makes it easy to manage all of your open windows. Action Center. The new Action Center is pretty different from previous versions of Windows. For example, it's been expanded to let you access frequently used settings, such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode. It's also where you'll see important notifications, so if your computer receives an update, you'll get a notification about it here. Tablet mode. Unlike Windows 8, Windows 10 makes a clear distinction between desktops and tablets. If you're using a keyboard and mouse with Windows 10, you'll be in desktop mode by default. If your computer also has a touchscreen, you can go into tablet mode at any time. Tablet users can also switch back to desktop mode if they prefer. Should you upgrade to Windows 10? As you can see, Windows 10 is much more similar to older versions than it is to Windows 8. It's also faster and more secure, and it will continue to be supported for Microsoft for several years to come. If your computer is currently using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 and meets the system requirements, you can upgrade to Windows 10 by purchasing it from Microsoft. For all of these reasons, we recommend upgrading your computer to Windows 10 if you can. We'll talk about how to do this in our lesson installing and on upgrading to Windows 10. Windows 10 installation. There are two approaches you can take for installing Windows 10 in your computer: upgrade or a clean install. Typically, when you upgrade your operating system, all your documents and applications remain unchanged, whereas with a clean install you would be starting again from scratch. But one important thing to verify first is if your computer has the necessary hardware to support Windows 10. System requirements. Although most computers nowadays probably have the necessary requirements for Windows 10, it will certainly be useful to know them in case you want to upgrade from an older system. The main requirements are a processor, CPU, with a clock rate of at least 1 GHz. At least 1 to 2 GB of memory, RAM, but Microsoft recommends 4 GB. At least 16 GB space in your hard disk. One important thing to note is that the installation process itself will verify your computer hardware and let you know if it qualifies for a Windows 10 upgrade or not. If not, then you will need to upgrade your hardware.